I'm going to teach you how to do like 1-point color in Final Cut Pro X. So I've already got this clip in of Cristiano Ronaldo celebrating, which could be used in a Ronaldo montage, Ronaldo best goal montage, and I want it to look a bit cooler than it does at the minute. So I want it to be in 1-point color. So I'm going to show you how to do the basic 1-point color today, and then if anyone needs extra help, I'll put it in the comments how to do a more advanced version of 1-point color. But this is going to look cool. So I want this kind of purple to be stuck, and it'll probably, because it's quite close, it'll probably keep the blue in. But I want that purple, so the rest will be in black and white. So what we do is we click on the clip, and then you want to go to the color board up here. So if your clip may look like this to start with, then click on this one here, color board. And where it says no corrections, we want to then add a color board. So we've added the color board, which is sweet. Okay, on the color board, you want to click this button here, and then you want to add color mask. Okay, so this will now turn your mouse into a color, and then you want to select the color you want. So I want that purple. So it's, you hold it down and drag to the color you want, so that purple there. So you can see it's now got that purple. So drag around and then let go. So it's got it. Cool. Okay. And we leave that. That's on the inside. And then you want to select on the mask. You want to click outside and then move to saturation. And this saturation you just want to turn all the way down. So turn everything down on here. Make sure that's all at the bottom. The mask is at the bottom, so the rest is at the bottom. And as you can see that it's now gone to this lovely color. We can mess around with the softness and stuff. So just mess around with the values here until you're happy with it. And then boom, you have your shot in 1-point color that'll look so cool in montages, little clips and editing like that. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video or found it at all helpful, please press that like button, and why not share it on social media so other people can find it and also get tips on how to make better and more interesting videos. If you're new to the channel, why not click that subscribe button? I try and make at least one tutorial a week on softwares on Mac. So if there's a specific software you want, put it down in the comment section below and I'll try and help you out with any problems you've got on that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching, guys.